Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can track your steps on iPhone 16 Pro Max or iOS 18.3 without the Apple Watch. It's very easy. What you need to do is just simply go to the health app of the Apple, and if you haven't set it up, you need to step it up accordingly, putting your name details and your height and weight. After setting it up, it will automatically give you the summary and enables you to check out how many steps you have taken. It's very good app. You can see, for example, for instance, for today I have done 1030 steps, and it will give you detailed analysis of all your days, weekly analysis, monthly and 6 months analysis, and even a yearly analysis, and it will help you to keep track on your health. It's a very good app. You must enable it, and you can easily track your steps on iPhone 16 Pro Max or any iPhone, iOS 18 point 1 2 3 or upgrade. You can easily track it out, and you don't need any Apple Watch for this particular additional feature. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any other question, just let me know. Bye bye.